Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do some error handlers in Python. So before we start, remember to hit that like and subscribe button below. Do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. So before we start, we're just going to import OS here, import OS, and I'm just going to check the font size on this as well. Okay, let's take it up a little bit bigger. Okay, so we're going to do open file, so we're going to create a function, open file. Okay. We're going to create a path to the desktop. So this is C users mark desktop. So this is my desktop. It will be different for your desktop. And then os.chddir path. Right, okay, so we're going to start off with try here, and then we're going to create the file opener, so it's going to be with open, and I already have a text file on my desktop called search, so this is going to be search.txt. And we're going to give it the R flag here to read as file object, and then the contents are going to be equal to file object dot read, so we're going to be reading the file, and then print the contents out. Contents. Right, we're going to do this next part of this, which is the except part. And we're going to use file not found error. There's lots of different error types. You can Google them for different types of exceptions that the programs could throw. So this is file not found error. So just if you want to find out what they are, just simply Google them. Okay, so then we're going to print out a message to the user. Let's say file not found or corrupted. Okay, now all we have to do is call it by saying open file, like that. Save our program. Okay, so we're going to change to the desktop path. Now that is my desktop path, it won't be yours. So I think I said before, make sure you change yours, or else if you just simply type this in, it won't work for you. This is OS change directory to this path, because this text file here that we're going to open is on my desktop. So without further ado, save it and run it again. Okay, so it's opened it, and that's the contents of the text file. Now let's check to see if this file handler will work. So I'm just going to modify the file a little bit like that. Save it and run it. Let's see if it'll throw an exception. Okay, there we go. File not found or corrupted. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.